Before we study higher level sciences like physics or biology, we must study the basics of science. On average, almost every science textbook starts with something like this. Without understanding the basics of science, there could be a whole bunch of misconception while studying the higher level sciences. With that being said, let's begin. What is science? What comes to mind when you think of science can be very different. Some may think of lab code, textbooks, planet, technology, and it's not completely all of that. Science is usually misunderstood. This misconception can even be found in dictionaries. According to NinjaWord, science is a noun, and it's a particular discipline or branch of learning, especially one dealing with measurable or systematic principles rather than intuition or natural ability. As much as I love NinjaWords, this isn't quite the best definition. It doesn't get all the parts down. Science has two parts. First of all, it's a body of knowledge. This would be your average science textbook, filled with information gathered over a period of time. This side is what seems to be extremely boring to many students, as this is the only side that they've ever been exposed to. However, the second side of science is what I think to be extremely exciting. This is the process to build upon knowledge found in the textbooks that we've studied. Many may think that if there is scientific evidence for a theory, it's a sound theory. However, advancements are made every day, and if new evidence suggests that a theory is false, that theory may be overturned for the rest of history. Essentially, science is based on a principle in which any idea, no matter how widely accepted, may be disproved the next day if evidence warrants it. Now, there are 4 assumptions that every scientist make in order to understand the natural world. A. Nature can be understood through systematic study. This would be what we know as the scientific method, which we'll later get on to. B. Scientific ideas are open to revision. This is essential, as this is what I believe to be what science lies upon. C. Sound scientific ideas can withstand the test of time. This is based upon the belief of scientific laws that can also be disproved. However, it's highly unlikely that these laws are disproved. We'll get into scientific laws and theories later on in another video. And D. Finally, science cannot provide all answers to all questions. That has to be clear, and these questions that science can't provide answers to tend to be answered by many organizations, religions, and laws. Ethical questions such as whether people should be killed or executed if they have committed a crime is an ethical issue and cannot be answered by science. However, scientific data can be used to support a side of these ethical questions, and this will also later get onto in another video.